Welcome to RR Institutions. In this video, we will take you on a virtual tour of our campus showcasing the state-of-the-art facilities that make RR Institutions a premier private college located in Bangalore, offering top quality education to students under the guidance of experienced faculty members. In today's world, where entertainment is just a click away, the thought of studying can be daunting. However, at RR Institutions, we aim to create a conducive classroom environment that motivates students to learn. Equipped with the latest audiovisual technology, our classrooms enable interactive learning, enhancing the overall educational experience. The library at RR Institutions is the heart of our institution, serving as a vast reservoir of knowledge with an extensive collection of books, reports, journals, periodicals, CDs, and videos. With exceptional subscriptions to both national and international case studies, our library is a treasure trove for students looking to broaden their horizons. Our computer lab is designed to help students keep up with industry requirements and practice the skills necessary for success in the future. Our campus cafeteria serves a wide range of healthy snacks and freshly cooked hygienic food, providing students with a comfortable space to relax and enjoy a meal with their friends. At RR Institutions, we believe that holistic growth is just as important as academic excellence. Our air-conditioned auditorium can accommodate over 300 people and is the perfect venue for national and international seminars. The university's conference room, furnished with top-notch facilities, hosts the highest level meetings. Our sports facilities offer an ideal environment for students to build team abilities and maintain fitness, with a variety of indoor and outdoor sports to choose from. Our separate hostels for boys and girls on campus provide a home away from home with all the basic necessities, including study tables, double and triple beds, wardrobes, and other essentials. Our transportation service spares students the hassle of public transportation, providing safe and convenient travel to and from campus. We hope this virtual 360-degree tour has given you a glimpse into the world of RR Institutions, where we focus not only on academics but also on holistic growth. Join us in our mission to shape the leaders of tomorrow.